Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Desktop Monitor 1C, and I will show you how you can turn on or turn off DCR mode in this device. So at first, let's enter for the settings by moving the power key for the left, then scroll down, move on right, scroll down again, move on right, and as you can see, to select one of these options, we have to click our power key on right. So I'm going to turn it on. So go for the on and tap power key on right. As you can see, it's enabled right now. And if you want to disable, just tap on it another time. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.